Good morning to principal, all teachers and students present here. I am here to deliver a speech on Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a renowned writer, scholar, thinker, saint and philosopher of contemporary India. He was born on January 12, 1863 in the city of Kolkata. His original name was Mahendranath Dutt. He was master in both English and Farsi. His mother was a Gauss lady. She first taught Naren English lesson and made him familiar with the Bengali alphabets. Young Naren studied in the Metropolitan Institute when he graduated from an English college in Kolkata and passed his BA examination and further research to study law. But after his father's death, his family's financial position did not allow him to pursue further study. He was an excellent singer. One day Ramakrishna Paramahansa, later Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahansa asked him to sing God face to face. Ramakrishna Paramahansa said to Naren that he was one can see a man, he can also God in the same form. Ramakrishna Mission, which is teaching Naren later established the Ramakrishna Mission on 1st of May 1897, which is also working at the present day. My dear friends, his name was written in golden letter in the history of India. We shall make effort to remember his quality and become a better person. Thank you.